Hello friend. Today I have taken one topic from international relation. The name of the topic is Chinese string of pearls theory. China hates interference of America and Russia in Asian region. China dreams to be regional power in Asia. India maintains friendly relation with America and Russia. That is why China India relations are cold. India had given shelter to Dalai Lama, the leader of Tibet in 1950s. Tibet was an independent country before 1950s when Chinese attacked and captured the whole Tibet. China to become a regional power will have to destabilize India. For this purpose, China maintained good relation with all anti-India elements, whether it is insurgency in northeastern India or Pakistan. Chinese string of pearls theory talk about surrounding India from all sides and keep an eye on India and America. For this, China is building a railway station for Pakistan on the zero line, that is the international border. According to international law, no country can build anything within the area of 150 meter from international border. And the area is called no man's land. Presence of China so close to Indian western border has unsettled India. China is building a naval base in Gwadar in Pakistan. From Gwadar, China can keep an eye on all Indian, European and American vessels passing through Persian Gulf. At a time of need, China can destroy these naval vessels in less than 5 minutes. On the other hand, China is building a base in Maldives. It is just few thousand kilometers away from South India, which is India's technical hub. China has a plan to deploy its nuclear submarines and aircrafts in Maldives. China has also developed civil port in Sri Lanka. China is building naval base in Myanmar's Coco Island and is establishing a radar facility to monitor Indian Navy movement and India's missile and space program. India's missile testing base and India's space station are both situated on eastern coast. China is in talk with Bangladesh to develop its Chitgaon port. To conclude, to become regional power in Asia, the string of pearls policy is being used by China to diminish the influence of India around her neighboring countries. Thank you for watching my video.